Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the machine and getting into the UEFI quickly. Shut down Windows fully and disable fast startup so firmware changes take effect. Once done, power on and press ESC then F2 or Del to enter the Asus UEFI. On TUF models the timing is tight, so keep a wired keyboard ready. Make sure you know any BIOS password. If present, clear it first. This step gets you to the configuration area where Secure Boot lives, so don't delay. You now navigate the UEFI to find Secure Boot settings methodically. Press F7 for Advanced Mode, then open the Boot or Security tab. Asus layouts vary by BIOS version. Once you see Secure Boot, change the OS type to Other OS or directly set Secure Boot to Disabled. This removes the enforcement of signed bootloaders. If keys are present, select Key Management and clear or reset keys as instructed. This prevents automatic re-enabling. Save choices, but don't reboot until you confirm the next step. You finish by saving your changes and testing the boot. Press F10 to save and exit, confirm, and let the system restart into your OS or intended installer. Secure Boot should no longer block unsigned drivers. If the system fails to boot, go straight back into UEFI. Try enabling CSM or restoring Secure Boot keys temporarily, because some OS loaders expect them. As a last resort, use USB recovery media or clear CMOS to return to a known state. This solves firmware locks without.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.